What's going on, guys? All about it BMX, and I haven't exactly been making videos a lot lately. I've been had family in from England. It was my birthday, and I didn't get my frame till like the 20th, and it's now the 2nd. I'm pretty sure first, second, but so I have a parts update, a bike check, and I was gonna do an unboxing, but I didn't feel like it, so I guess I'll show you guys the new parts. Alright, so my S&M ATF 21 top tube came in to Rain Riders. Right on. So I already put it together. I got it in matte black. Pretty nice. Mid-bottom bracket, made in the USA. And then I had to get a new bottom bracket because my Eastern Reaper was a Spanish, so I got an S&M bottom bracket. And then I also got a new seat. It is, you can kind of see it. It says it's got S&M in the plate engraved into it. So those are new parts I got. I had to take off brakes because no brake mounts, but it's all good. So here we go with a bike check. Alright, we're gonna start at the top and then go back. So still got the Pardons, ODI grips, Grand Slam, S&M bars, profile push stem, Odyssey R32 forks, Odyssey headset, a Odyssey V2 front wheel, and Shadow Velour tires. They're pretty nice. And then the new ATF frame. Got Odyssey Twisted PC pedals, Sunday, seat post, and then S&M seat. Shadow Conspiracy chain, Odyssey sprocket, S&M bottom bracket, Eastern cranks. Not sure what kind of Eastern cranks. I got them from a friend. All I know is they're Eastern. Odyssey. Not sure which one. It's a Odyssey quadrant rim on a Corvette hub. I guess it's like the Q1. And then Revenge tire. And then the next parts I should be getting would be probably another Revenge tire. Yep, that's my bike check. So it's like about to rain outside, I guess. And I'm going to check on the Eastern Reaper frame I just painted. My old Eastern Reaper frame is for sale. Comes with a bottom bracket. It's a Spanish bottom bracket, but it's gloss black. Pretty nice. Does have brake mounts. Already has a seat post clamp. Has all the cutouts. Integrated headset. So yeah, that is for sale. Comment below. I'll just tell you how much I'm wanting for it. Yeah, that's still pretty wet. But, I might not do shipping. I don't really like shipping. I've never actually done it before. I just don't really like. If I have to, I guess I will. I'll probably be shipping it in an S&M box for my new frame, but I might be able to. So there's the frame for sale. Alright, I'm also gonna do like a look over on the side hack. I'm trying to sell it still, and it'd be pretty cool if I sold it. So yeah, it's just a side hack. Somebody should buy it. I'm not wanting much for it. Comment below on that, and I will tell you prices on everything. Upstairs, I also have a seat, or a kink seat for sale. So here's the kink seat. I also have all these seats for sale. And almost every part in this box is for sale except for my brakes. I do have 2 extra sets of brakes though. So, yeah, I have some stems, some brake pads, stuff like that. So, hit me up in them comments and, get you a price and some info. Again, sorry for not posting for a while. I will be posting regularly now. Just had to get in the spot to do it. So, there's my bike check, parts check, update. Kind of an unboxing, not really. No, not an unboxing. But, yeah. All about a BMX.